The secret behind cooking great salmon is making sure you cook it skin side down. Skin side down protects the salmon, stops it from overcooking, but more importantly, we get that skin nice and crispy. In order to stop the salmon from buckling up, tilt the salmon. Just lift it up like that, bend it. Take a really sharp knife and just let the knife do the work. Score through, keep it nice and straight. And what that does through there, it allows the salmon to cook quicker, but more importantly, helps get that skin nice and crispy. Now don't slice too deep, otherwise you'll overcook the salmon. Salt, pepper, make sure you rub all that spice in there because it's a Cajun spice, so it's nice and fragrant, both sides. And when the salmon's scored like that, it makes it so much more fragrant. Turn the salmon over, light dusting with the Cajun spice, salt, pepper, mop all the seasoning up, and literally tidy that up. Don't cook salmon ice cold. Let it get up to room temperature so it cooks quicker and more importantly, it doesn't dry out on the outside. Make sure you get the pan nice and hot first before you put the oil in. If you have a cold pan, put the oil in once the pan's cold, the oil burns before the pan gets hot. Oil in, tablespoon in she goes, and lay away. That's the sound. A nice, sizzling hot pan. Get your spatula and just lightly press down. That keeps the salmon skin incredibly flat. It gets nice and crispy. To turn the salmon, that's still cold there. Lift that up, and look, that's what I want. That beautiful, nice, golden brown. How do we get more flavor in that salmon? Garlic and thyme, in. I'm gonna turn it back over so it cooks skin side down. Just a touch of butter. That keeps the salmon so moist. And let that salmon sit there now on a low heat for 6.5 to 7 minutes. Beautiful.